3, 2, 1, go.
Starting off the first match of the day here in the Franklin Field number 1. We've got one robot from the red lines and one robot from the blue lines making their way onto the court, quickly knocking over 2 crates for the blue alliance, giving them 10 points. And that looks like that's all that's going to be made in the autonomous period with 15 seconds left. With 3, 2, 1.
Now you can pick up your controllers. All right. Under normal circumstances, that was wrong, but no harm done. So let's continue on. Everybody, controllers in hand. Everybody, Manny takes blame. We're just jumpy a little bit here. Red Alliance, are you ready? Are you ready, Lord? Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scorers tables are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And with that, now the drivers are in control of the robots. It looks like there's a communication issue with 2753. But it looks to be good. No, it's a 2v2 match. As we progress through the match, the Blue Alliance has a small lead. By knocking over those crates, they received a 10-point bonus. We'll find out how this will affect the match with 1 minute, 40 seconds left.
Remember to hold it with both hands. Be careful.
Team 34-15, the Lancers, trying to go up and secure that crate. But their alliance partner, 28-44, Valley X, beats them to the punch. In the meantime, the Blue Alliance has 1 crate, and the Red Alliance is trying to secure their own. These crates will be used with a racquetball installed to hopefully score big in the end game, the last 30 seconds of the match, with 1 minute, 10 seconds left in the match. 1 minute, 10 seconds. We've got Team 40-29, 2 bits and a bite. Taking possession of a crate on a conveyor system. It looks like that conveyor system can hold a total of 3 crates. Will they be able to secure all 3 crates in 50 seconds? 50 seconds left in the match. With 40 seconds left, the Blue Alliance is now going on the offensive, playing a heavy defense on both Red Alliance robots, trying to prevent them from securing any more crates. With 30 seconds left, the Blue Alliance has a small advantage, and it looks like they also have advantage with that crate. They could score big. Will they in the next 25 seconds? With 15 seconds left, the Blue Alliance is going up. Can they secure points by raising it higher? For every foot they increase that crate, that could be worth an additional 10 points with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, great match down on Franklin number 1. 3, 2, 1, go.
And starting off match number 2, over here on Franklin Field number 2, we've got 2 robots bursting off the field from the Red Alliance, with 1 from the blue slowly making its way across the court, taking possession of 2 crates. We'll find out what they decide to do with that in the next 15 seconds of the autonomous period. It looks like they're going to try and go and push that bowling ball into the goal. If they can, that could be worth 10 points for the Blue Alliance.
All right, we're letting the FTAs check out one of the robots while the scoring is done by our referee. Okay, one of the teams is asking for a consultation with a ref before we start. All right. Pick up your controllers. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scorers are ready. Here we go. Teleop in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're starting the teleoperated period with drivers now in control of the robots. All robots moving with the Blue Alliance holding a very small lead. This period is the teleoperated period, which is 2 minutes long. All balls are now in play as they've been knocked onto the field. Team 1001, the Hacksaw from Lyndhurst, Ohio, taking possession of a crate, trying to put that racquetball in. Without that racquetball, that crate is worth no points. However, if you get a racquetball into the crate, that is an automatic 2 points, and if you can raise it to high elevations, you can increase your score. Team 1001 continuing to lobby those racquetballs into the crate, each one worth 2 points apiece, furthering the advance of the Blue Alliance's score. It's going to be difficult for the Red Alliance to overcome this onslaught with 1 minute, 5 seconds left. And it looks like there's an entanglement between both the Blue and Red Alliance robots with 55 seconds left. 55 seconds. Team 4105, Teal Tornadoes, having some connection issues. TFA is checking it out. But right now, the Blue Alliance is ahead in the score. Can they keep this momentum with 40 seconds left? And we enter the end game, the last 30 seconds of the match. During this time, the bowling balls can be raised up onto the platform for 20 points apiece, as well as raising those crates for additional points with 15 seconds left. That looks to be all the points that are going to be scored during this match due to the entanglement between both the Blue and Red Alliance robots. So with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, tough defensive battle over there. Two of those robots actually got tangled together. We'll let that one be figured out by the refs and the scoring. 3, 2, 1, go.
Kicking off the match, two Blue Alliance robots are barreling down onto the field, knocking over several crates and getting quick points. And also trying to take advantage of knocking that bowling ball into the goal for 10 points, but couldn't quite make it. In the meantime, Team 4314, the Aerial Squadron from the Red Alliance, also trying to get that 10-point bonus by getting that bowling ball in the goal, but couldn't quite push it far enough. But it looks like they're going back to change that. They go up, they push it in for 10 points, plus park their robot for another 10 points, giving them a huge lead as we move to the teleoperated period.
All right, it does look like a slight advantage to the red here. Pick up your controllers. We're giving a thumbs up. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scorers are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
With the drivers now in control of the robots, the Red Alliance has a lead going into the teleoperated period, the 2-minute player-controlled period. Team 3705, the Team Portal from Alaska, trying to overcome this disadvantage by quickly taking control of a crate and also jumping a racquetball into the crate for 2 points.
3705! Go Blue Alliance!
1 minute, 30 seconds. It looks like the Red Alliance is going on a heavy defense against the Team 3705. Portal trying to prevent them from scoring any more crates. But despite that, it looks like Portal's going up, trying for a double stacker. This would effectively double any lifting score. With 1 minute, 15 seconds, it looks like Team 4314 Aerial Squadron having some connection issues. It's effectively a 1v1 match at this point. Or 2v0 match at this point. While Team 4705 also having some connection issues. It looks like we're having some field issues and we will have to reset the field.
3, 2, 1, go.
And once again, during the autonomous round, both Blue Alliance robots come barreling down the platform, quickly going up and knocking over two of those crates trying to get a quick and easy 10-point bonus, while Team 43-14, the Aerial Squadron, going up trying to score 10 points with that bowling ball. And they also go over and knock over one of the crates, giving another 5 points and getting that 10-point bonus for that bowling ball and 10 points for parking that robot, giving them a smooth and easy lead going into teleoperated period.
All right, looks like we had a lot of scoring for red. Not much scoring for blue. We do have one blue tote that's over, so there is a few points. 2 of them. Okay, 2 of the totes are over. So as soon as the FDAs give us the clear, we'll start it up again. All right, we got the all clear. Red Alliance, are you ready? Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And with the drivers now in control of the robots, we'll see if the Blue Alliance can overcome the Red Alliance's lead. Currently, Team 3705, Team Portal, holds the world record of 788 points, so they do have a chance of coming back and taking this match by storm. We'll find out in the next 1 minute, 45 seconds. It looks like Team 3705, Team Portal, already in possession of one of those crates with a racquetball in it, looking for a double stack, looking to mimic the world-shattering record. We'll find out if they can, or if the Red Alliance defense will prevent them from securing that double stack. Team 3550, Team Beta, playing some defense as well as trying to secure a rack of their own, while Team 4115, the men in kilts from the Blue Alliance, preventing Team 4314, the Aerial Squadron, from getting possession of that crate while playing heavy defense, relying on their brothers, the Portal, to secure a winning score with 1 minute, 5 seconds.
Go, Blue Alliance! Come on. We got 2. Go, 37!
With 50 seconds left on the clock, 50 seconds. Portal looks to be trying to go for a triple stack. We'll find out how this will affect the results with Team 3550, Team Beta, appearing to have some technical issues connecting with the controller. The Red Alliance with possession of 1 crate. Portal in possession of 2, having some difficulty with their third. With 35 seconds, can they get possession of that third crate? Unable to go up the platform. Portal deciding to raise their crates, but it looks like the Red Alliance has 2 crates of their own, going up, up, and away. Who will take the lead? Right now, the Red Alliance has the lead of score, but the Blue Alliance is going ever higher. It looks like they might take this, but the Red Alliance continues to go up with 15 seconds left. The Blue Alliance may have taken this. With 10 seconds, can the Red Alliance Team 3550 come back and raise a crate with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, if you remember in that match, the Red Alliance seemed to have the advantage in autonomous, but it looks like Blue's got the height advantage there. We'll see who comes out on top. 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting match number 84 here on Franklin Field number 2. We've got 2 from the Blue Alliance and 1 from the Red Alliance moving on the field, with the Red Alliance quickly going up, parking and getting 5 points. With Team 5096, the Monkey Madness, eking their way over, getting another 20 points for the Blue Alliance by getting that bowling ball in and parking their robot. Quickly followed suit by Team 5454, the Dent in the Universe. This is a close match as it looks like the teams are even as we move into the teleoperated period.
All right, as you just heard, 2 balls, 2 robots here, 1 of each color. 2 robots on the other corner, 1 of each color. It looks fairly even. All of the totes are still in place. Referees, are we good? All right. Controllers up. Red Alliance, are you ready? Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're starting this match to the teleoperated period. Team 4530, Infinite Resistance, trying to take possession of those crates early on. Same with Team 5454, Dent in the Universe. So far, all these teams have scores in the triple digits so far in today's competition. With 1 minute 35 seconds in this clock. 1 minute 35 seconds left.
6 points every 10 inches.
And it looks to be turning into a heavy defensive match as the Red Alliance realizes that they're playing against both teams that have reached nearly 700 points in competition play here in the World Championship. And with that defense, we'll find out how that plays out with 1 minute 15 seconds. So far, it's proving to be effective as neither blue robot currently has possession of a crate. One minute left in the clock. 1 minute left. Husan apparently having some difficulty with the connection. We'll find out how this will affect the match. It looks like it might be a 2 versus 1 in favor of the Blue Alliance. That means it's up to Team 54-54, Dent in the Universe, to play a much more aggressive defensive game as well as aggressive offensive game. Team 50-96, the Monkey Madness, eking their way up with 30 seconds left. They've got a crate, they've got a ball. How high can they go? So far, they've reached a score of 689. Can they mimic that score with 20 seconds left? It looks like we also have the Infinite Resistance going up, up, and away. They're trying to mimic their 700 score. Can they do it in the next 12 seconds? Monkey Madness continuing to raise up for the ceiling with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, bring out those ladders. They're up in the air over there. We had ladders out on this field last time. 3, 2, 1, go.
That's how it marks the start of the match with one robot from the red and one robot from the blue quickly going down, trying to score some points. And Team 37-61, Lords of the Screws, going down to assist their alliance partner, parking in the low goal for 5 points per robot. While over here, the Blue Alliance goes over, knocks the bowling ball in for 10 points, then parks for another 10 points, giving them a 20-point lead as we move to the tally-operated period, which begins in 3, 2, 1.
All right, blue does have the advantage. Controllers up. FTAs, are we good? All right, Red Alliance, are you ready? Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scorers are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And we start the match with the drivers now in control of the robots. Team HDU, Team Beijing trying to take possession of that crate. While we also have the team from the Netherlands also trying to take possession of the crates. Bodacious Bulldogs using his claw mechanism, trying to go down, select the prize, bring it up, and put it into the dispensing unit. Team 37-61, Lords of the Screws, taking possession of that crate, trying to get it into a topper. If it can get a racquetball, which it does, that could be worth points as we progress through the match with 1 minute 15 seconds. 1 minute 15 seconds left. And it looks like Team Renegade are deciding to be satisfied with the score at the moment. Placing down their controllers, it looks like it's going to be a 2 versus 1 match in favor of the Blue Alliance. We'll find out how this affects the results with Lords of the Screws continuing to put those crates filled with racquetballs on top of its lifting mechanism in preparation for the end game. There's still 40 seconds left in the match. 40 seconds. Team 48-97, the Bodacious Bulldogs, putting a crate onto their lifting mechanism. This looks like this could be a high-scoring match for the Blue Alliance as they are in possession of 4 crates. We'll find out how high they can take it. But here comes the HDU, Team Beijing, bringing this game to new heights. Can they beat out the Blue Alliance, or will the Blue Alliance come back in force with Lord of the Screws going up, and away, trying to rival that of the Beijing team with 10 seconds left? It looks like there could be a close one, but it looks like the team from the Netherlands is going to eke them out with 3, 2, 1.
All right, another high-reaching game. He's going to get the step ladders out for that one. 3, 2, 1, go!
And with that, we're progressing this match. The Blue Alliance having two robots barreling down onto the field, knocking over several of those crates, but they decide to take pause and let Team 5468, Finding Blue Moose, go over Park and score 20 points, as well as coming up behind with Team 3273, Absolute Zero, giving them another 5 points. If Finding Blue Moose can stay in that area, that could be worth 10 points for the Red Alliance.
All right, looks like we got red robots in each of the corners. Blue robots have knocked over, well, maybe not any totes, actually. They toppled a bunch, but they didn't land on their side. They're still touching their top rim. All right, looks like our referees are done evaluating. The FTAs have checked things out. We're getting a thumbs up. So, Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance is ready. Scores are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting off the teleoperated period, the Red Alliance continued to further their advance by quickly going up and trying to secure that crate with Team 3273, the Absolute Zero, trying to freeze the competition with Team 3351, the Taterbots, trying to go up and also secure crates of their own. But Team 5468, the Finding Blue Moose, parking themselves in a position, making it harder for the Blue Alliance to secure those crates. We'll find out if this defensive game will make the difference with Team 3726, the LHS Robotics team, quickly going up, securing a rack, and then dumping a racquetball into the crate. But unfortunately, losing control, Team 3273, the Absolute Zero, now in possession of a crate of its own for the Red Alliance. All it needs is a racquetball in that crate, and that could be worth points with 1 minute, 5 seconds left on the clock. 1 minute, 5 seconds. Now, Absolute Zero has 2 crates, but however, there's no racquetball in either of those crates. It needs to have a racquetball for it to count. We'll find out if it will be able to scoop those up and score. Using a very interesting design, Team 3273 navigating the balls that it picks up into the individual crates with 35 seconds left. 35 seconds left in the clock. Will the Red Alliance be able to further their advance, or will the Blue Alliance be able to come back and forth with 30 seconds left? 30 seconds. It looks like the Blue Alliance is looking to offset the Red Alliance lead with Team LHS Robotics, 37-26, going up and away. Every foot, that's another 10 points with 20 seconds left. Will they be able to go up any higher? Will the Red Alliance be able to respond with 32-73, Absolute Zero sending itself up? Can it match the Blue Alliance's score with 10 seconds left? It's going up, but will it be able to have enough time? With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, looks like we're continuing the ladder usage over here on Franklin. Keep it up, teams. 3, 2, 1, go!
And that sound marks the start of the race with several robots quickly getting down onto the field. But it looks like Team 3-1, the Fembots, getting hung up on the field, preventing them from scoring any more points. But despite that, the Tactical Sheep go up and score 20 points for the Blue Alliance. And the Red Alliance knocking over several of those crates. We'll find out what the total score is, but it's going to be close. But the Blue Alliance looks to have eked out a lead as we move into the teleoperated period in 5 seconds.
One Blue Alliance robot down here. One red scored over there. It looks like we have one of each colored toad on its side. Looks like a very close match. All right, just heard that 38-48 lent a battery to 311. Well done. Controllers up. Red Alliance, are you ready? Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scorers are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Moving into the teleoperated period. The Fembots apparently having some mechanical issue, and it looks like only one of their drivetrains is operating, which means that they're just going to be going in circles, which means this could be effectively a 1 versus 2 match in favor of the Red Alliance. But the Red Alliance has to overcome a lead that the Blue Alliance has gained during the autonomous period with 1 minute 40 seconds left in the clock. 1 minute 40 seconds. Team 4240, the 4H Techno Clovers, trying to take possession of that crate and lift it to new heights. We'll find out if they can. All teams in this match are have high scores around 300 points. So this could theoretically be a very close match with Team 7, the Tactical Sheep, going up with one of those crates. All it needs is a racquetball to make that count. But it looks like Team 4240, the 4H Techno Clovers, are going up for a double stack, which could make the difference in this match with 1 minute 5 seconds left in the clock. 1 minute 5 seconds. And the Tactical Sheep springing a trap over that crate, ensuring it goes nowhere. It looks like both the Red Alliance teams have at least one ball. And the Team 3848 tries to go up and get the magnetic ball, but not quite magnetic enough to make that exterior goal count for 25 points. So with 35 seconds left, we've got crates going up. 3 for the red, 1 for the blue. Will the Blue Alliance, the Tactical Sheep, be able to outlift the Red Alliance? Or will the Red Alliance take this match by going up, up, and away with all 3 of those crates? With 22 seconds left, it looks like we're going to need the ladders down here on the Franklin division with Team 4240, the 4H Techno Clovers, going up, up, and away. With 15 seconds left, can the Tactical Sheep lift that crate up? We'll find out, or if their lifting mechanism are still going to have issues in the next 6 seconds with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Again, we're reaching for the stars. The Red Alliance has one high enough. They need the biggest pole in the house. 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting match number 88 here on field number 2 of the Franklin division. We've got 2 robots for the Blue Alliance making their way onto the field, but deciding on what to do next. Team 452, Phi Alpha, taking its time, deciding if it wants to push that bowling ball, while Team 3539, Say What, trying to go up and push that bowling ball into the goal, but couldn't quite make it. But it's going to be blocking the Blue Alliance from attempting to push that bowling ball in with 5 seconds left of the autonomous period. The Red Alliance looks to have gained a small lead by getting that one blue robot over there into that low goal, as well as knocking over several crates for 5 points apiece.
All right, the crate count seems equal. 1 robot in each end. One's red, the other's red. Red's got the advantage with the robots in the scoring zones at the corners. Referees, are we good? All right, Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Pick up the controllers, I'm sorry. Pick up the controllers. Red Alliance is ready. Blue Alliance is ready. Blue Alliance is ready. Scorers are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting the teleoperator period, the scores are pretty much even between both the Red and Blue Alliances, but the Red Alliance has a 5-point advantage going into the teleoperated period. With the 1 minute 50 seconds left in the clock, this score is pretty much matched with even scores between both the teams in previous matches. It looks like there's a connection issue between the red robot on the field. This could be a 2 versus 1 match in favor of the Blue Alliance. We'll find out how this match progresses, as right now Team 3539, the Say What, going up and trying to secure a second crate, as it already has 1 stuck on its antenna, looking to score big in the end game with 1 minute 20 seconds left. The Blue Alliance is going to have to come back in strong force in the next 1 minute 15 seconds, as the Red Alliance is starting to rack up some points. by getting those crates onto the antennae, filled with those racquetballs. They're getting set up to score big in the end game. But here comes the Blue Alliance. Team 4140, the fish in the boat, setting themselves up to score in the end game by already having possession of one of those crates with a racquetball. With 50 seconds, is it going to be down to this last few moments with Team 3539 and Team 4140? It looks like Team 4140, fish in the boat, trying to go up and score those points. 40 seconds left. Who will be able to raise those crates up the highest? For every foot, that's another 10 points. The Red Alliance having 3 crates and going up with 2. They've matched the height of the Blue Alliance. Can they continue to surpass the Blue Alliance, or will they come back in full force? And the Red Alliance shoots up, giving them a high score, a huge lead over the Blue Alliance with 15 seconds left. Can the Blue Alliance come back? Will fish in the boat be able to lift, or will they still be stuck with the 10 seconds left? With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3539 has quite a strategy. 2 go way up, 1 goes about 3 foot. A tough thing to beat. It's going to take the pole and the ladder again. 3, 2, 1, go!
And starting that sound means the start of the match with Team 133, the Arrows, setting their sights on the Blue Alliance and quickly jamming them up against the wall in an effective defensive strategy. But the Blue Alliance still manages to get 1 robot in the scoring zone as well as a bowling ball for 20 points, giving them a lead as we move into the tele-operated period. Despite that effective defense, the Blue Alliance was able to eke out that lead with the other robot.
Controllers up, please. Controllers up. All right. Referees are ready. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores tables ready. Teleop in 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting the tele-operated period, the Blue Alliance with a small lead. Being heavily defended by Team 133, the Arrows, who have now set their defensive strategy against the Blue Alliance Team 3291, the Iron Bulls, trying to prevent them from getting out of that corner. But as you know, a bull backed into a corner becomes a dangerous thing. We'll find out what happens as the match progresses with 1 minute 35 seconds. $45.90 from the Red Alliance Cyber Days, in possession of one of those crates, and now apparently a racquetball, setting themselves up to score big in the end game period, while Team 133, the Arrows, continues to corner Team 3291, the Bulls, into the corner, preventing them from scoring any points. 1 minute 5 seconds left. Team 133, the Arrows, defensive strategy is playing havoc upon the Blue Alliance, preventing either team from picking up any crates. And while their alliance partner, Team 4590, the Cyber Days, continues to pick up crates, going up for a double stack. It looks like they currently have the advantage as we move into the match with 45 seconds. Will the Blue Alliance be able to answer the call? It looks like they've got possession of a crate of their own. Right now they have a small lead as we came into the Thomas period with 35 seconds. Can they regain that lead, or will the Blue Alliance be able to offset them? It looks like their lifting mechanism has gotten hung up for Team 4590. We'll find out what the ramifications are as Team 5411, the Geeks, Gears, and Gadgets, are raising their crate while the Red Alliance appears to be stuck. This could be the decisive factor with 15 seconds left. Will the Blue Alliance be able to lift it past the Red Alliance, or will the Red Alliance untangle itself? We'll find out. 10 seconds left. The Blue Alliance with Team 5411, the Geeks, Gears, and Gadgets, slowly raising their crate up higher and higher above the Red Alliance. It looks like this is a Blue Alliance's match.
All right, we had a little screw up on the score last time, but we think we got it worked out. 3, 2, 1, go!
And starting off the match, 2 blue robots are barreling down the field with Team 5666, the Dutch 200, quickly taking possession of that bowling ball and scoring 20 points. for the Blue Alliance, giving them a lead, but not satisfied with that lead. Team 3785, the Beastie Bots, taking a quick possession of that crate. It looks like they're setting themselves up to score big during the teleoperated period. We'll find out how this match progresses in 3, 2, 1.
Controllers up. Looking across the field, Blue Alliance got the bowling ball down here and a robot. Looks like 20 points. Red managed to topple one of their totes. That gives them a few points. But though the Red Alliance is lagging in points, they are positioned to take that first tote up and get ready to shoot it to the sky. So let's see how it works out. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scorers are ready. Tally up in 3, 2, 1, go.
And with the drivers now control the robots, Blue Alliance with a small lead of 20 points progressing through the match. We'll find out how that affects the match with Team 3785. Already in possession of a crate, trying to set itself up and score with a racquetball. Without that racquetball, that is worth no points. But it looks like Team 3259, the Perpetual Motion Squad, having some connection issues with their robot. TFA is inspecting it. With some movement, it still looks like this could be a 2 versus 2 match, but as it stands, the Blue Alliance controlling a lead in points as well as 2 operational robots with 1 minute 20 seconds in the clock. 1 minute 20 seconds. The Beastie Bots showing their force. Goes up. They have 1 crate with 1 racquetball, trying to go up for 2 for a double stacker. While the Blue Alliance currently has a lead in points, the Red Alliance could quickly come back with 1 minute left. 1 minute left in the clock. $37.85 now with a double stacker. It looks like they're set up to score big in the last 30 seconds. We're coming down to 45 seconds in the clock, and the Blue Alliance is setting themselves up to score with the bowling ball, which means that they could further their score by 30 points if they can get that bowling ball up onto the platform. But it's going to be hard by Team 3785, the Beastie Bots, looking to possibly go up for 3 crates. With 30 seconds left, 30 seconds. Team 3785, the Beastie Bots, going up and away with 3 crates. Let's see how high they can make this with 15 seconds left. Can the Blue Alliance continue their lead, or will the Red Alliance overcome in the last few seconds? They go up and away with 8, with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, Beastie Bots are looking mighty awesome. That's a very tall robot, and there are 3 crates, each with a ball. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right now that we're starting the autonomous period, we've got robots moving one after the other, with the Red Alliance quickly going up, getting 20 points by getting that 1 bowling ball in, as well as parking their robot. Team 4995, the Super Troublemakers, also goes up and scores 10 points for the Red Alliance by knocking those crates to the ground, with Team 4507 displaying their light show with a 5-point bonus by also scoring and parking their robot.
All right, controllers up, please. We got a Red Alliance robot and ball down on this end, a Blue Alliance on that end. We got a slight advantage, it looks like, for the Red Alliance. They also have some totes laying on their side. Red Alliance, are you ready for tally-up? Blue Alliance, are you ready to make the comeback and tally-up? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
And with that, we have drivers in control of the robots. It looks like Team 5842, the Dracu Boss from Bucharest, Romania, having some difficulty. TFA is checking it out, but right now it's a 2 versus 1 match in favor of the Red Alliance. In addition, the Red Alliance have scored more points during the autonomous round, which means they do have an advantage in this match with 1 minute 35 seconds left. Team 4507, the Robochargers, goes up, scores a crate with a ball. Can they get a double stacker, or will it be down for the Red Alliance, who are trying to currently secure their first rack? Right now, the Blue Alliance, despite the huge disadvantage, have gone up and secured a second rack. All they need is a racquetball that can be worth big points. With 1 minute 15 seconds, Team 49.95, the super troublemakers, looking to stir up the pot. They go up and secure another racquetball of their own. Going up for another crate. It looks like they've got a double stacker as well. This is going to be a close match between both the red and blue alliances as they both have 2 crates and 2 racquetballs. 55 seconds. Team 4507, the Robochargers, in possession of now 3 crates. Looking to offset the potential lead that the Red Alliance is now building with 45 seconds. Team 49.95, the Super Troublemakers, going up and away with 2 crates and 2 racquetballs. With the Blue Alliance going up for 3, will they be able to offset the Blue Alliance's score with 35 seconds left? And it looks like Team 4507 loses possession of one of the crates. We'll find out if that'll affect the outcome with 25 seconds. Trying to offset the Red Alliance's lead. They now have 3 crates lifted. Can they get 2 higher than the red with 20 seconds left? It's going to be a close match. They try to go for 3, trying to offset the Red Alliance's score. With 10 seconds left, they keep going up and away. Will they be able to match the Red Alliance's score? Here comes the Red Alliance. They come crashing down with 5 seconds left in 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think they need to give the referees hazard pay out here. Sorry to see that one topple, but we do need to keep our eyes open out here for falling debris. 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting the match, we have 2 red robots barreling down that ramp. And it looks like despite the 2 versus 1 advantage on the field, the Blue Alliance quickly goes up, knocks that one ball into the goal for 10 points. But here comes Team 2867, the Green Army Robotics, going up scoring 20 points by getting their own bowling ball as well as parking their robot. This means that the Red Alliance is going to have a huge lead of 20 points by knocking over those 2 crates and also getting that robot into the goal.
All right, looks like our Red Alliance has taken an advantage. They have a ball, a robot down in the front corner, 2 totes on their side. Blue Alliance has 1 ball down for a score at the front, but that looks like it. So the advantage right now is red. We do have 1 robot that's being inspected. Some technical issues, but they're giving us the go-ahead, so let's get this underway. 3, 2, 1, go! It's good to see 2867 moving after that.
And with that, it's once again a 2 versus 2 match. Team 524, the Boss Bots, taking quick possession of that crate for the Red Alliance and trying to get that racquetball in. Make sure it is worth points when they try to go off and lift it during the match. With Team 5837, Team Dreamway, also taking possession of their first crate. Now they're going for the first racquetball. 1 minute, 20 seconds left. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Team 2867, the Green Army Robotics, trying to play a little bit of defense against the Blue Alliance and also secure balls of their own with 1 minute remaining. 1 minute left. Team Dreamway setting themselves up to score with another crate, but being defended by the Red Alliance, trying to prevent them from scoring. The Blue Alliance going up and away with Team 4545, the Viper Bots, looking to score big early on in the match with 45 seconds left. It looks like this might be the only crate being lifted, but here comes Team 524, the Boss Bots, with 2 crates of their own with 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left in the match. And referees decided to disable one of the robots for fear of it just damaging itself. With 20 seconds left, the Blue Alliance is controlling a commanding lead. And here comes Dreamway with a double stacker, going up and away with 15 seconds left. Can they get up high? Can they reach their high score of 554? Going up and away, Team 524 with the Boss Bots, trying to equal the score with 3, 2, 1.
Again, we're going to need the ladders over on Franklin number 2. We keep needing them. 3, 2, 1, go!
Kicking off the autonomous round for match number 93. We've got all robots quickly going onto the field. with the Red Alliance robot team, 48-55. The batteries in black, knocking over those crates for 10-point bonus. But it looks like those robots have gotten hung up on themselves, which means they are not moving from that position as this is the autonomous period. The Blue Alliance going off and parking a robot. It's going to be a close call with the crates knocked over and the batteries parked.
All right, looks like we got a lot of totes, a lot of crates laying on the ground. I see 1, 2, 3 for blue, 1, 2, 3, 4 for red. I see one blue robot in the zone down there. Scores are tight. Pick up your controllers. All right, looks like we got everybody together. Red Alliance, are we ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance is ready. Scores table's ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And with the start of the 2-minute teleoperated period, the drivers are in control of the robots. It's a close match. So team 41-49, the Terabytes, trying to quickly go up and get a double stacker. It looks like they're good for one crate with one racquetball in it, trying to go for two. With an early double stack, they might be able to go on to defense heavy with 1 minute 35 seconds left in the match. 1 minute 35 seconds. The Red Alliance still trying to get their first crate with team 57-21. The Victoria's Secret having a connection issue and having the TFA come in and inspect. Trying to fix it. It is currently a 2 versus 1 in favor of the Blue Alliance, who currently have 3 crates as 1 racquetball. 1 minute 15 seconds left in the clock. 1 minute 15 seconds. It looks like team 41-49, the Terabytes, looking to go up for a triple stacker. Can we get a quadruple stacker? The first one of the competition with 1 minute remaining in the match. 1 minute left. It looks like Terabytes trying to go up for that quadruple stacker, trying to make history here at the world competition. Will they be able to do in the next 50 seconds? Right now, the Red Alliance with team 48-55. The batteries in black in possession of that one crate. Can it answer the call by the What's Up, who's already gone up and lifted their crate? But here comes team 41-49, the Terabytes, with a quadruple stacker with 30 seconds left. How high will they be able to go? It looks to be a little bit flimsy, but it looks to be good. If they can keep it there, that means they will win this match with 20 seconds left. Will team 48-55, the batteries in black, go up and away and achieve a higher score than the Blue Alliance combined with 15 seconds left. They're going up. Can they do it? Can they go up any higher to secure victory with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, again, a lot of tall robots there. It's impressive to see 4 of those crates up in the air on one robot. It looked a little dicey for a minute, but they've held it steady. 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting off match number 94 here on Franklin. Team 35-23, the Bot Bosses goes over, pushes that bowling ball into the goal, and then prevents the Blue Alliance from getting their own bowling ball in. But despite that, the Blue Alliance is still able to park their robot, getting another 10-point bonus. And with 5 seconds left, it looks like the Red Alliance robot ends up pushing in several of those blue crates, giving themselves a penalty.
All right, looks like we had some penalties there. But we do have a red bowling ball down here. The blue one did not make it. One blue robot down here. We have a number of totes that have been toppled, but it looks like the number of blue ones is higher than red. All right, our referees have scored that match, so pick up your controllers. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're starting the teleoperated period. Drivers in control of the robots for the next 2 minutes. Team 5008, Team Droid, flexing its muscles, stretching before it decides to jump into battle. With the Red Alliance, it's now currently a 2 versus 1 match on the playing field. As the Blue Alliance, the droids, decide whether or not to pounce or when to pounce. Whenever the Red Alliance is at its weakest, we'll find out in the next 1 minute, 30 seconds. Team 42-20, the Landroids going up, taking possession of some crates, trying to drop some bracket balls in to hopefully score. With Team 5008, the droids, having some technical analysis being done by our FTAs, trying to determine the connection issues. We'll find out how this match progresses in the next 1 minute, 10 seconds. It also looks like Team 5831, the Expedio, also from the Blue Alliance, having some technical issues. With the Red Alliance going up, setting themselves up to score. With 50 seconds left. It looks like Team 4220, the Landroids, goes up, secures 25 points by getting that magnetic ball into the outside goal. There's only 12 of these magnetic balls on the field out of a total of 100, so it's up to the robots to determine which ones are magnetic and which ones are not, and go up and secure that 25-point bonus. With 30 seconds left on the clock, 30 seconds. It doesn't look like any of these crates are going to be lifted, but with the Red Alliance having a small lead, we'll find out if the Blue Alliance can come back with 20 seconds. Team 4220, the Landroids, trying to take possession of that crate and show that it can lift with 10 seconds left. With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, tough fought battle over there, but we need to keep moving on. 3, 2, 1, go!
There's a lot of enthusiasm here on the field. Let's see if it translates into the robots' performance. We've got all 4 robots barreling onto the field with Team 5026, the Tesla Coils, trying to show why they're number 1, trying to pump that ball into the goal, but can't quite make it. But they still managed to knock over several crates for both the Red and Blue Alliances and park one of the robots in for a 5-point bonus. With 10 seconds left in the autonomous period, this looks like this could be a very high-scoring match.
All right, that ends our autonomous. Controllers up, folks. We got a blue robot down in this zone, a red robot in that zone. We got a number of totes tipped. It looks like the numbers are even there, 1 red, 1 blue. FTAs have cleared the field. Scoring, are we ready? Referees are giving me the thumbs up. Red Alliance, are we ready? Red Alliance, are we ready? Blue Alliance, are we ready? Scorer's table's ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
And with the enthusiasm on the field translating into the robots, we've got all robots moving quickly, knocking down all the balls onto the floor, quickly putting them all into play and trying to secure those crates to lift them high in the sky. 1 minute, 45 seconds into the match. 1 minute, 45 seconds left. Team 50-51, the Girl Scouts of Montana, quickly trying to go up and secure a crate by losing control. Team 3397, the Cyborg Gentleman Crabs, trying to play some defense on the Blue Alliance, but they're being pushed into the corner by Team 50-51, the Girl Scouts of Montana and Wyoming. With 1 minute, 15 seconds left. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Don't let their girlish looks fool you. Team 50-51 continue to play heavy defense on Team 3397, preventing them from scoring any greats. We'll find out if this defensive strategy is effective with 55 seconds. 50-26, the Tesla Coils, goes off, drops a racquetball into a crate, preparing it to lift up in the end match. But here comes Team 2888, the Oddly Charged Particles, getting themselves set up to score. They've got a crate with a racquetball installed. With 35 seconds, they shoot up, and they look to be good, furthering the Red Alliance's score over the Blue Alliance. Can the Blue Alliance respond in kind? There's 30 seconds left in the match. 30 seconds. Team 5026, the Tesla Coils, trying to show why they are in fact number one of today's competition. Can they go up? Can they offset the Red Alliance to score with the oddly charged particles? Or will it be the Red Alliance? Will they come back and secure a lead and upset the number one team here in the world competition with 8 seconds left? Can they go up? Can they offset the Red Alliance to score with 4, 3, 2, 1?
All right, now they're just showing off, shooting up the second arm. But I warned you about those missiles. Will the Blue Alliance have enough to take it away from that tall tower of the Red Alliance? We'll see come next match. 3, 2, 1, go!
And starting off match number 96 here on the competition, we have Team 5833, the White Cat, pouncing onto the field and unfortunately landing quite like a cat, falls over on its side. Team 4251, the Cougar Robotics team, goes up, knocks over one of those crates for a 5-point bonus, then goes and parks itself for another 5-point bonus. Meaning that the Red Alliance is going to have a small lead as we move into the teleoperated period.
All right, we did have one robot that had a little mishap down here, looks to be laying on its side. They can ask the refs to right that. Looking at the field, it looks like Red's got an advantage. All right, we're battling static electricity down here, and they are taking every precaution they can think of to not affect the robots. They're trying to ground themselves to the field first and then pick up the robot. All right, looks like we got that robot back on its wheels again. All right, the referees are even going so far as to make sure the battery's back in the right place. So, like I said earlier, it does look like Red has a slight advantage. But Blue is ready to rumble. So, Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores table's ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, the Red Alliance has a small lead as we move into the teleoperated period, but the White Cat, tasting referee blood, is looking to go in with a vengeance. 1 minute, 50 seconds left in the match. It looks like the Red Alliance in possession of one crate, as well as trying to get that racquetball in. It must have that racquetball in order for it to count if it were to be lifted high into the sky. Team 5833, White Cat, trying to go in with a vengeance, trying to prevent the Red Alliance from scoring any more points and getting hung up on several of those balls. Right now, the Red Alliance is furthering their lead. If they can grab that second crate, that would help them ensure that they will have a small lead as we move into the end game with 1 minute, 10 seconds left on the clock. 1 minute, 10 seconds. (52:02) try to understand. They're going up. They have a possession of a crate. All they need is that racquetball, which they're scooping up, maneuvering through their conveyor system and shooting into the crate. They're good to go if they can put it in their hopper and raise with the next 45 seconds. 45 seconds left in the clock. Both Red Alliance robots in possession of several of those crates. Can the Blue Alliance continue to play defense and also secure a crate of their own with 35 seconds left in the clock? 35 seconds. With that, try to understand. Going up with one of those crates Every foot is roughly 10-point bonus. With the Red Alliance going up, up, and away, can the other Red Alliance robot team 4251, the Cougar Robotics team, advance their score and ensure a victory with 15 seconds left? They're going up, up with 5 feet with 10 seconds left. The Blue Alliance manages to get 2 crates up. If they can go up higher than the Red Alliance, they could win with 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, looks like the Red Alliance has an advantage there with 2 robots reaching for the sky, but did Blue have enough in other points to make it stick? 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off the match, it looks like the Red Alliance got the cue. They're going down, they're scoring, and here comes the Blue Alliance. A little bit late, but they come in, they score 5 points by parking in that goal. With Team 4530, the Infinite Resistance, going up and scoring a bowling ball as well as parking the robot for 20 points, giving the Red Alliance a lead as we move to the tally-operated period.
All right, we have a Red Alliance robot down here in this zone. We have a red bowling ball. We have a red and a blue robot down on that end. FTAs are checking out 3477. All of the crates, all of the are still upright. Nothing has been toppled. We have a communication issue down here with 34777. We got a couple FTAs looking it over. All right, we seem to have the green lights on the screen. Let's see if they give it the okay. All right, our FTA went somewhere. Hopefully he'll be back with a solution shortly. All right, the FTAs are giving us a thumbs up. We'll see if they were successful as we get this match underway. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
As we start off the teleoperated period here on match number 7 on Franklin Field number 1. We've got 3 robots moving, but it looks like the geeks in their underpants are having to sit this match out, effectively making this a 2 versus 1 match. As the Red Alliance currently has a point advantage, they now have a robot advantage as well. We'll find out if the Lords of the Screws from the Netherlands can overset this advantage. They have some pretty high scores. We'll find out how this match progresses. But it also looks like the Infinite Resistance from Team 4530 also has a high score of 788 from the competition. It looks like they're going to make it hard for the Lord of the Screws to progress with 1 minute 20 seconds left in the match. 1 minute 20 seconds. And we have the Lords of the Screws taking possession of the first crate, but it's quickly followed suit by Team 4240, the 4H Techno Clovers. Now with the Red Alliance with 1 crate, the Blue Alliance with 1 crate, it's a close match with only 55 seconds left in the clock. 55 seconds. But once again, it is going to be all down to the end game. The Red Alliance has a 20-point bonus, but the Blue Alliance is coming back in full force with the Lords of the Screws. Team 4530, Infinite Resistance, has 1 crate with 1 ball, meaning that the Blue Alliance now has a deficit of 1 crate to the Red Alliance's 2 crates. With 30 seconds left in the clock, 30 seconds. We are now in the end game period. It is going to be all down to who can lift the crate highest. Will it be the Red Alliance with the 2 crates, or will it be the Blue Alliance with their now double crates? 15 seconds left, 15 seconds. The time is ticking down for the Blue Alliance to come back in force as the Red Alliance is now going up with 2 crates. Can the Blue Alliance respond in kind with 2 of their own? They've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, that's impressive. Blue Alliance made a valiant try, even though they were 1 against 2. 3, 2, 1. Go!
We've got some excitement out here on the field, translating onto the robots operating. It looks like the Red Alliance is going to control a small lead as they have the bowling ball as well as a robot parked in the goal for 20 points. But it looks like several of the crates are knocked over as well for 5 points apiece, with Team 5411, the Geeks, Gears, and Gadgets, securing a 5-point bonus by parking it in that 1 section. With 3, 2, 1.
All right, as they score that, let's take a quick look and take inventory down here. We got a bowling ball in the front. We got a red robot in the front, both red. We got a blue robot down on the far side. The robot on the front gets a few more points. 2 red totes down, 1 blue tote down. An advantage to the red. All right, looks like our referees have done scoring it. Up with the controllers. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? They make more noise. Scorekeepers are ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off that 2-minute teleoperated period of match number 98, we've got all those sacks being knocked over with all the balls in play. Team 5666, the Dutch 200, pushing aside several of those crates and now playing defense on the Blue Alliance. Taterbots going up, trying to secure the first crate of the match. They go up, they secure it in their hopper. Now all they need is one of those racquetballs to go into the crate so that it can be count when they try to lift it in the last 30 seconds of the match with 1 minute 20 seconds left. 1 minute 20 seconds. Right now the Red Alliance has the lead in the points, but however the Blue Alliance is coming back quickly by going up, securing one of those crates. Can they continue this momentum? Will they be able to take this match by storm with 1 minute 5 seconds left in the match? Team 3351, the Taterbots, going up, trying to secure more balls. They're going up. They're going to go score for the high goals with 50 seconds left. The Red Alliance is now falling deeper and deeper behind as the Blue Alliance continues to raise that crate. Higher and higher it goes, the more points the Blue Alliance achieves with 40 seconds left. Can the Red Alliance with Team 48, the Shockwave, shock the Blue Alliance and score points themselves? Right now the Blue Alliance has a commanding lead with 30 seconds left. It's up to the Red Alliance to get up to that platform to secure more points. Can they get up in the next 20 seconds? 20 seconds left in the match. They're going up. Can they equal the height of the Blue Alliance with 15 seconds left? They're going up. They're going up. They only have 2 feet to go. Can they do it? With 10 seconds left, it looks like that might be all that's done with 54-11 securing a Blue Alliance lead with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, looks like two blue robots up in the air, one red. We'll count that score in a little while. 3, 2, 1, go!
And with the start of the match, it looks like Team 133 Arrow shooting off from the platform and looking to confront the Blue Alliance, preventing them from doing dead reckoning. Despite that, it looks like Team 35-39, the Say What, just managing to maneuver across the field, push that one bowling ball in for 10 points apiece, but they're not done. They're continuing to push around objects. With 5 seconds left, the Red Alliance goes in. They knock over several of their crates. This is going to be a high-scoring match, but it looks to be going towards the Blue Alliance as we end the autonomous
Controllers
period.
up. Controllers up. Pick up your controllers. All right, we saw some great strategy and autonomous from this Blue Alliance down here. 35-39. They went out, pushed totes and all, ball all the way down, dumped a set of totes here to get at least one of those into scoring. A second one scoring here. The robot scores, the bowling ball scores. The Red Alliance has but one tote to count for points for them, so the Blue Alliance has a pretty commanding lead going into teleop. Referees, are we ready? Red Alliance, are we ready? Blue Alliance, are we ready? Scores are ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're starting the teleoperated period. Drivers in control of the robots. The Blue Alliance has a small lead, but the Red Alliance looking to offset that with Team 2753, Team Overdrive, looking to kick this match into high gear. They go up, they pick up one of those crates, and it's trying to be quickly followed by Say What. Right now, both alliances have possession of one crate, but there's no racquetballs in either of them. We still have 1 minute 35 seconds in this match. 1 minute 35 seconds, and the Red Alliance goes up securing a racquetball. Team 2753, Team Overdrive, getting hung up on the field, apparently having a connection issue. Right now, it appears to be a 2-versus-1 match in favor of the Blue Alliance. But right now, the Blue Alliance has just secured their first crate. So right now, while it may be a 2-versus-1, the Blue Alliance is still playing catch-up. With 1 minute left on the clock. 1 minute left. It looks like Team 2753, Team Overdrive, has been disabled by the FTA, which could be a game changer. We'll find out how this affects the results as Team 35-39, the Say What, still trying to put that crate on top of their antennae with 35 seconds. Can they do it? Can they lift it up to new heights and score points? With 30 seconds left, 30 seconds, we're now entering the end game. Say What, lifting that crate up higher and higher. Every foot is worth roughly 10 points. They're already leading them in autonomous score. They shoot, they go up with 12 seconds left. Can they keep it up there? With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, we need that ladder again. Again, we got one high in the sky. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're starting off the match with the Blue Alliance barreling down the field, trying to take advantage of this time, trying to score as many points as they possibly can, while Team 4963, Team Nova, trying to push that bowling ball into the goal, but just coming slightly short of its Dead Reckoning break programming. Team 3415 playing a little bit of a song for us down here on the field. With 3, 2, 1.
All right, I see a red robot down here. Just missed getting into that front scoring zone. So no points up there. It looks like no points back there either. Both blue robots just getting close, but not scoring in the corner scoring zones. Totes are all upright. I don't know that there was any points scored here in Autonomous, so they're going into tele-up, tied. Controllers up, please. Controllers up.
By the way, congrats.
All right, it looks like we got everything straightened out down here on Franklin number 2. Again, I repeat, it appears as though we're starting even at 0 after Autonomous. So, Red Alliance, all dressed in blue, but you're the Red Alliance. Are you ready? Blue Alliance, that doesn't have any blue on. Are you ready? Scores table's ready. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off match number 100, teleoperated period. There's only 28 matches left in today, and this looks to be another high-scoring match, as every single team here has achieved at least a 250-point score. With 1 minute 45 seconds left, we're going into a heavy defensive match with Team 4963. Team Nova pinning Team 58-49. Team Beijing against the wall, trying to prevent them from picking up any of those crates. Right now, Team 4590 and Team 4963 trying to play heavy defense on Team Beijing, as they know that Team Beijing has been able to successfully score at least 400 points in every single match. With 105 seconds, we'll find out how this defensive strategy will play out. But Team 3415, the Lancers, in possession of a crate, looking to score big in the end game. We'll find out how this plays out, as the Red Alliance still has no possession of any crates, except for Team 4590, the Cyber Days, looking to surprise the Blue Alliance. 48-49, having some connection issues. It looks to be a 2-versus-1 match in favor of the Red Alliance, but the Red Alliance is currently pinning the Blue Alliance, and they have to back off. They have to back off after 5 seconds. However, it looks like the Red Alliance has also lost connection. With 45-90 going up, Cyber Days with 25 seconds. It looks like this could be a red match. Going up and away. And for every foot, that's another 10 points. It looks like they're at 120 at least with 15 seconds left. They continue to go higher and higher. With 12 seconds, that looks like that's all they can raise. With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, that concludes our 100th match down here on Franklin. Sorry, that happened with my voice. That one's a tall one. Bring out the ladders, bring out the pole. 3, 2, 1, go!
And it looks like over here on the Red Alliance, we've got a robot quickly going off. It's Team 3291, the Iron Bulls, going off and driving that one bowling ball into the corner, giving them a quick and easy 20-point bonus. While we have also over here Hassan from the Red Alliance trying to escape the field, but it looks like they're going to try to charge in during the teleoperated period. With Team 4507 from the Blue Alliance, the Robochargers going off and parking themselves, giving them a nice and easy 5-point bonus.
All right, looks like an autonomous. The Red Alliance did get their ball into the scoring zone. The Red Robots in the scoring zone. And it's going to take some close measurement to determine if that blue ball is in or not. I can't call it. We'll let the rest decide that. Blue Alliance did manage to tip 2 totes. Blue Alliance also has a robot in the other scoring zone. It's close. All right, they're telling us let's play teleop. Red Alliance, are you ready? Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
As we start the teleoperated period, the Red Alliance has a small lead. The international team from Mexico as well as Saudi Arabia are going up against the Blue Alliance from here in the United States. Team 4507, the Robochargers, trying to take possession of the second crate for the Blue Alliance, while the Red Alliance with the Iron Bulls trying to take possession of their first crate. So while the Red Alliance may have taken the lead during the autonomous period, it looks like the Blue Alliance is coming back in full force with 1 minute 30 seconds left. 1 minute 30 seconds. 1001 Hacksaw cutting through the competition by dropping off those 2 racquetballs into the crate. Each one of those racquetballs in a crate is worth 2 points. And with the crate with the racquetballs in it, they can score big during the end game. With Team 4507, the Robochargers, with a racquetball in 2 different crates, they look to be set up to score big with a doubleheader. With 55 seconds left. 55 seconds. The Blue Alliance is slowly eking forward of the Red Alliance, who built up a lead during the autonomous period. We'll find out how this match progresses in the next 45 seconds. And over here, it looks like the Blue Alliance was able to score 4 in the outside goal for the magnetic baton. That means that is worth 100 points if all 4 of those are in fact magnetic. There are a total of 12 magnetic balls on the playing field with 100 out of the 100 balls. So the robots have to differentiate between magnetic and normal balls. With 15 seconds left, the Blue Alliance is controlling a commanding lead with those magnetic balls as well as those crates with 12 seconds left. And with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It looks like Blue Alliance didn't go up because they felt they had it under control with their magnet balls and the other scores. 3, 2, 1, go.
And as we
Safety
start match
glasses.
number 102 here on the Franklin Field number 2, we've got all robots moving on the field with Team 2821, the Prototype Posse, quickly going up and scoring a 10-point bonus for the Blue Alliance, while the Red Alliance goes over and tips over several of their crates, getting a 5-point apiece. With 10 seconds left in the autonomous period, it looks like this is all that's going to be scored, with the Blue Alliance controlling a small lead with 3, 2, 1.
All right, quick inventory here. Blue ball down here. No robots in there. Blue totes on their side. Red totes on their side. Too close for me to call. The blue ball may be the advantage that blue has. So slight advantage for the Blue Alliance. Are we good? All right, the one of the Red Alliance teams is asking the FTA to take a look at something. 3, 2, 1, go!
And starting off, this is a very close match between both the red and blue alliances, but both of these alliances have shown that either team has been able to score very big in the games here today. Each one having at least a high score of 300 points. So with 1 minute 40 seconds left in the match, we've got one crate going up for the Red Alliance with Team 3785, the Beastie Bots, quickly going up and also securing a racquetball inside that crate. Team 2821, the Prototype Posse, trying to answer the call and get a crate of themselves, but they still don't have a racquetball in with their alliance partner, Team 524, the Boss Bots, also trying to get a racquetball to place in the crate, while it looks like the Red Alliance is now trailing a little bit as the Blue Alliance now has one crate of their own. But it's still neck and neck between both alliances with 1 minute 10 seconds left. 1 minute 10 seconds. With the Red Alliance robot team 5831, Expedio trying to go on the defense, trying to prevent the Blue Alliance from getting those crates. However, despite the defense, Team 524, the Boss Bots, going up, securing a crate. The Blue Alliance now has two, whereas the Red Alliance only has one. Currently trying to get a racquetball in their second crate. Team 3785, the Beastie Bots, trying to even out the score, but in the meantime, the Blue Alliance goes up and gets another crate. That's 3 crates for the blue, 1 for the red, 2 for the red, with 30 seconds left. We're now in the end game. With robots now trying to lift those crates up into the sky for additional points. Each foot of elevation increases their score by roughly 10 points. With Team 3785, the Beastie Bots going ever higher. Can the Blue Alliance answer the call? They've got 3 crates versus 2. Can they continue to raise those crates with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1?
All right. That's one bunch of tall robots standing in the Franklin number 2 field. Will the 2 tall, not quite as tall as the red ones, be enough to beat the red one that goes to outer space? We'll find out when we come back to that field. 3, 2, 1, go!
And that's how it marks the start of the match, with 2 red robots barreling down the field, trying to get that bowling ball into the court. And it looks to be good for 10 points, and parking the robot also gives them another 10-point bonus, meaning that the Red Alliance has an advantage as we go into teleoperated. But with 15 seconds left, Team 2867, the Green Army Robotics, tries to go up and get that bowling ball in, but it's deflected by Team 4029, the 2 bits and a byte, giving the Red Alliance a 20-point bonus as we go into the teleoperated period.
All right, that was quite an exciting autonomous operation there. I see red totes and blue totes. Oh, he's saying one of the blue coat totes doesn't count because only the top lip is touching the floor. The other part is supported. 2 red totes seem to be down flat. 3 red totes, actually. So red has a pretty good advantage here going into the teleop mode. So referees look ready, FTA's ready. Pick up your controllers. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
And with that, we are starting the teleoperated period of our match number 103 here on Franklin Field number 1. We've got Team 4855, the Batteries in Black, quickly taking possession of that crate, getting themselves set up and score during the end game, while it looks like one of the other Red Alliance 2 bits and a byte having some connection issues between the controllers and the robot, meaning that this is now a 2 versus 1 match. Team 2867, the Green Army Robotics, trying to secure their first crate. But here comes Team 4140, the Fish in the Boat. It's quickly taking possession of the crate and looking to score. Will it be the Red Alliance or will it be the Blue? Currently, the Red Alliance is controlling a lead, but the Blue Alliance now has 1 crate with the ball, and the Red Alliance has 1 crate with the ball. It's neck and neck with 1 minute 10 seconds left in the match. 1 minute 10 seconds. Team 4140, Fish in the Boat, trying to pick up a racquetball. That crate is not worth any points unless there's a racquetball installed. And each time that there is a racquetball installed in the crate, that's worth 2 points. And right now with the Red Lions controlling a small lead, they're trying to go up and get a double stack. Can they do it with 50 seconds left? Fish in the boat, trying to get that racquetball, trying to get those 2 crates. If they can get 2 crates, that could ensure a victory. But here comes Team 4855. The batteries in black. If they can get that racquetball in, that's good. That means they've got 2 crates ready to be lifted with 30 seconds left. We're now in the end game. We're now going up higher and higher with Fish in the boat leading the charge. Will Team 4855, the batteries in black, be able to respond to a Fish in the boat's goal with 20 seconds left? They go up, they reach the Fish in the boat, they exceed the Fish in the boat, they keep going up higher and higher. How high can they go? With 10 seconds left, it's now a race to the top for both the blue and red alliances. With 6 seconds left in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Those were some pretty high-flying fish over on Franklin number 1. We're going to need that ladder again. Get the long pole. We need to measure up over there. 3, 2, 1, go!
And with the start of the match, that sound means... With that sound, all robots barrel onto the field with Team 5026, the Tesla coils, quickly going up, securing 20 points by getting that bowling ball into the low goal, as well as that robot for parking there, as well as Team 5721, the Victoria's Secret, also parking a robot in, giving them 5 points. But it looks like the Blue Alliance is going to take this match going into the teleoperated period.
All right, looks at the end of autonomous. We have a blue robot and a blue ball up in the front scoring zone. One red robot looks to be in as well. A red robot down there. It's close. All the totes have remained upright. It looks like we're ready to go. Looks like my voice is going. But Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Scores are ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
And that's how it marks the start of the teleoperated period, the 2-minute period of player-controlled action. Right now, the Blue Alliance controls a small lead, and the Red Alliance come back in full force. We still have 1 minute, 50 seconds left to determine, but it looks like Team 35-23, the bot bosses, quickly going up, trying to secure a crate, and hopefully score in the last 30 seconds of the match. With Team 5202 trying to understand, in possession of a crate as well as the racquetball. It looks like they're trying to go up and score, but right now with leaving that crate on the field, they're going to try to go for a double stacker with 1 minute, 20 seconds left. 1 minute, 20 seconds. Blue Alliance, Team 5202, continuing to pick up those crates, while Team 5026 playing some heavy defense on the Red Alliance, trying to prevent them from picking up those crates and hopefully score during the end game. With 1 minute left in the match. 1 minute. Team 5202, the try to understand, now in possession of another crate with a racquetball, accompanying Team 5026, the Tesla coils. They've now got 2 crates in possession, possibly 3, but here comes the Red Alliance with Team 3523, the bot bosses, in possession of a crate as well, while with 35 seconds, 50-26, the Tesla coils going up. Every foot is roughly 10-point bonus. It looks like the Blue Alliance looks good, but it falls out of bounds, which means that it could be the Red Alliance to come back in full force with Team 35-23, the bot bosses. 20 seconds left. The Red Alliance is back in this match. Can the Blue Alliance with Team 5202 come back and secure a victory, or will the Red Alliance take it with Team 35-23? With 10 seconds left, Team 5202, the try to understand, trying to lift their crate, but they fall over in the process. It looks like this is going to be down with 3, 2, 1.
Tough break for the Blue Alliance. That's why we have to stay alert around the field. We never know when one of those tow robots is going to come tumbling down. Let's hope everything's all right with that robot, and we'll see them back to score big points. 3, 2, 1, go!
And with the start of the match, the robots are getting down. They're moving on, trying to knock over those crates, trying to push that bowling ball around, as well as park their robots. With Team 4995, the Super Troublemakers trying to push that bowling ball in, but couldn't quite make it. But here comes the Teal Tornadoes, making sure that they go and get 20 points by getting that bowling ball as well as their robot in for 10 points apiece.
All right, looks like they've finished autonomous. We do have a blue bowling ball, a red rolled bowling ball, and a red robot in the front goal. We've got 2 red totes laying on their side, so it looks like the Red Alliance has a pretty commanding lead after the autonomous period. While they're looking at this, I remind you we have this match and then we break for lunch. And Justin is giving dance lessons over there to his backup. Now the field reset team's joining in. If you guys want to join in the stands, go ahead. All right, looks like our FTAs are giving us the go-ahead. We'll see if they've been successful with 154 down here. All right, I just got word. Ghettobot is not going to run. So, moving into teleop mode, let's see if the other Red Alliance, they are very good. They could pull this off. It's 2 against 1. Red Alliance, are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Take it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
And as we start the teleoperated period, it's going to be a 2-versus-1 match in favor of the Red Alliance. The Red Alliance has already scored several points during the autonomous period, giving them a huge advantage as we continue through the teleoperated period. There is now 1 minute 40 seconds left on the clock. 1 minute 40 seconds. Team 4105, the Teal Tornadoes, realizing that they've got a 2-versus-1 advantage, playing heavy defense, trying to sweep up Team 4995, the Super Troublemakers, preventing them from scoring any points. We'll find out if this effective strategy will prove effective in this last match, as we've seen in previous matches today, with 1 minute 20 seconds left. The Teal Tornadoes still playing heavy defense on Team 4995, the Super Troublemakers, while their alliance partners 4220, the Landroids, goes up and tries to secure a crate with 1 minute remaining. .4220, the Landroids now in possession of a crate. All they need to do is drop that racquetball in, and that could be worth 2 points. Plus, if they can lift that crate, that is worth 10 points for every foot, with 35 seconds remaining. 45 seconds. And with that, we're now entering the end game, with Team 4220 now in possession of 2 crates. Using a hook and grapple system, it now has 2, which it plans on flinging into the sky. With its grappling hook going up, and away with 15 seconds. This looks to be a match for the Red Alliance. Can the Blue Alliance come back, or will their defense prove successful with 3, 2, 1.
All right, we saw some awesome defense played there by the Red Alliance. Blue had a good chance, but the Red Alliance shut them down.